Good afternoon. Welcome to the NWWHT. I'm Emilio, bringing you the latest news. Did New York really overreact to the 2015 blizzard? New York Times certainly believes so, especially Mayor Cuomo. The prediction was that the snow would fall 2 feet, but in reality, it only fell 8 inches. The mayor was terrified of the blizzard, so he decided to shut down the whole town for 9 hours. Most New Yorkers were furious with the mayor's decision of shutting down the subway. So they replied with, "Why would a massive underground unit be shut down?" The mayor believed that he did not want another headline blaming him for a stranded subway, so he decided to shut it down with the rest of the town. Michelle Bennett at the Atlantic writes, "When dealing with dealing with Mother Nature, you win some and you lose some, but politicians almost always lose some." Because New York was shut down for 9 hours, that also meant there would be 0 reports of travel or death incidents. Now to Xavier.
There have been more than 120 earthquakes in the North Texas area since 2008. Beginning in the summer 2014 to January 16, 2015, there have been more earthquake occurrences. The public has become concerned for their safety, and they want to know what the cause of the earthquakes are. Many scientists feel as though it's because of fracking, injection, disposal, and groundwater wells. Robert Williams, a coordinator with the U.S. Geological Survey Earthquake Hazards Program, states, "We don't want to rule anything out at this point. Other scientists feel it's just the Earth and its natural occurrence." SMU students are testing the cause of the earthquakes, and the results will soon follow. If the quakes are due to the fracking, we need to find other solutions to obtain the oil and gas so we won't have as many unnatural earthquakes. California is known to have hot and dry summers that cause devastating wildfires. The fire destroyed a church and 100 homes near Mount Shasta, 50 miles away from the border of Oregon. 1,500 people of the 3,000 town were being evacuated. The citizens of Weed came back to survey the damage and saw that they had to start over. 375 acres were destroyed, with only 20% of the fire contained. "Horrendous, absolutely just devastating," were the words of Tammy Gonzalez when she rushed to pick her children up from school when they were told to evacuate the town. Wildfires are a serious matter and should be treated as such. Grab your important possessions and evacuate your home when told by officials to do so. Also, make sure that you have homeowners insurance against natural disaster. It will avoid a lot of heartache and headache. During the holiday, while stores were lined with holiday shoppers, the Philippines faces one of its most deadliest typhoons. Hundreds of thousands evacuated the scene immediately. The military cleared roads and railroad for delivery of relief. As expected, Typhoon Hagupit delivered heavy rain and destruction to the eastern Philippines. Luckily, Hagupit has weakened its time in the city of Manila, but still carried the force of 100-mile-per-hour winds. With more preparation this time around, this year's typhoon took less lives damaged, and countries such as U.S. and China were quick to send relief, such as goods, blankets, and clothing. I'm Xavier Dunlap signing off. Now back to Emilio.
In late news, South Africa had 260 people found dead, about 200,000 displaced, and 360 people were driven from their homes due to a flood. The UN data shows that 200,000 students will not be able to attend school either because their schools are flooded or they are being used as shelters. The UK's Department of International Development said it had made emergency funding for this particular incident. Together with other relief organizations, it has provided food for 10,000 people and sanitation and water for an exceeding 20,000 people. In accordance to the UK's help, South Africa has declared that they would send 30 emergency personnel, including doctors and paramedics. In related news, during February, in Argentina, it has shared its fair share of water problems as the province of Cordoba experiences a flash flood. Although only 7 casualties, the flood destroyed many valuable properties and caused Although only 7 casualties, the flood destroyed many valuable properties and caused thousands to evacuate.
I'm here at Porter Park today. And it's a fairly nice day today. And speaking of weather, it will be 74 degrees on Monday with 0% chance of precipitation. 80 degrees on Tuesday with 10% chance of precipitation. And 78 degrees sunny with, mostly sunny with little to no clouds. Thursday will be 63 degrees, partly cloudy with 20% chance of precipitation. And Friday will be mostly sunny with 0% chance of precipitation. Saturday and Sunday, you can expect no rain with 60 to 70 degrees.
We're NWWHT News, signing off. I don't know what's wrong with me today.
Huh?
Just today,
Yes.
California is known to have dry.
Okay.
California.
Have to do all 7 days.
Sorry.
Sorry.
There's something wrong with the thing.